Hi guys, this is Expert Vortex here again, part 2 for the Demolition, clan Demolition. I don't really know what to call it, but yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna unmute everybody now. Alright guys, I'm back. What are you talking about? Justin Bieber's a faggot, and chicken nuggets.
Got the plant.
Bomb online.
Alright man, I'm gonna have to go here pretty soon. I got shit to do tomorrow.
UAV inbound.
Well, nah, I'll just wait till my parents get home, and when they get home, I'll go offline because my parents will come down here and bitch at me if I'm still up.
Are they defusing?
No, I will not allow it. Sit down. Sit on the big black caucus.
Hellstorm missile inbound. Bomb offline.
God, are you serious?
Motherfucker.
Hostile
Gotta be shitting me.
set online.
Oh. Oh, you boob-tacular son of a bitch. Oh.
Basic clock about to expire. Quiet.
Bitch.
Here, if we protect this one.
Yeah, he's defusing.
Bomb defused. Be advised. Hostile care package inbound.
Plant A. Go, hurry.
Killer drone inbound.
Go plant. No, we lost. I'm
Be
about to back
advised.
out.
Hostile
I'm
loadstar
backing
inbound.
out.
Bomb is
Oh! Wow.
okay. Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Alright guys, looks like that's the end of part 2. Yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, favorite, you know, the usual. Do it all. 'Cause you guys are awesome!